Hello everyone, this is Ron. Hope you guys had a great day. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2009, and this video is for MarketTamer.com, and we're talking gold. But before we go any further, everything in this presentation is for educational purposes only and is not advice or recommendation to buy or sell anything, period. Alright, let's talk gold, GLD. Back in July I had done a video similar to this, and we talked about a large triangle formation that had appeared, and when the breakout would occur, I felt it would be large, probably be accompanied by big volume, and would probably be from a trading standpoint a nice opportunity to catch that momentum, whether that was up or down, and you just don't know which way that break may end up occurring. Well, as you can see on the chart, which we're going to zoom in here in a second, we did get that breakout. But before I go into that, let's just touch on what I had talked about back in July. We have a huge head and shoulders pattern here, huge, followed by a left shoulder over here and a right shoulder over here. The way this is tracing out, this was going to be explosive. The bias, if you had to pick one way or another, given the inverted head and shoulders pattern, was up. Well, today we got that answer, which way the break was going to be, as GLD was up almost 2.5%. So why don't we go ahead and zoom in a bit and do about a 6-month chart, because one of the important things about a breakout is, what was the volume like? Was the volume excessive? And as you can see here, here's that trend line, the upper trend line. Here's the lower trend line. And we busted up out of this trend line. And we just kept going strong all day. Look at the volume, 27.6 million shares. When you see a break of this magnitude accompanied by big time volume, this marks a shift. This isn't, let's say myself and everybody listening today, a bunch of our trading friends saying, hey, let's go buy gold. Or it's not one, typically it's not just one news service or two news services saying, hey, let's get long gold. This is big. This is institutional money that is also pushing it up. And having this big volume here just validates the probabilities that, wow, this could be the sign of a major new trend. Let me just zoom out back to a year real quick. Your upside targets are going to be these swing highs. You already took out the early August swing high. So now you're looking back here at June, or even back here into February. So let's go ahead and zoom in from February till now. So that's your target. You're targeting basically $99 to $100, which is $1,000 an ounce on gold. So now that we're at 96, you first come up here to about 97, and then you come up here into the $99 area, with 1,000 being the target. Once $1,000 on gold or $100 on GLD, which the $100 mark is way back here in March of 08, once you take all these out, you got above this one, take out this one, take out this one, now you take out 1,000, that could really lead to another major move up. And there's no way to know for sure, but we could end up seeing some kind of slope up that's similar to maybe this in nature. I mean, right back here, back in November, December of 07, you had this triangle pattern and then just a rip up. So once momentum gets going, especially in an item, a commodity like gold, and a precious metal like gold, these things can really go. You saw that with the commodity stocks like potash from a few years ago. So odds are now we're going to keep moving higher. Watch these swing highs, and then if we get over 1,000, look out. That could really, really embolden some bulls. And if we take a look at GDX real quick, which is the gold miners ETF, you can see the same pattern. And if I zoom in, let's just take from July of last year through now, you can see the huge volume today, huge move up, took out these swing highs. Your next target is $45, and then we're talking up around 50, even up to the 52.50 mark. So there could be a lot of further explosion behind this now that we've had this breakout. So this is big. This is big news, and I'll keep you posted. I'll continue to do videos. One last thing, one of the possibilities for a breakout today was Peter Schiff, Nouriel Roubini were on CNBC yesterday, and there's been a lot of talk about buying gold because of the pending inflation and potential next round of economic disasters that could occur. Regardless of that, you just play the trend, and now the trend is up and we broke out of it, the bias is with the bulls. So I appreciate you listening. I wish you all a great day, and we'll be doing another video soon. Take care.